Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me Ani Automation Wali, and in today's video we are going to answer frequently asked questions about the Rehan AI Teacher Training Program Part 1. If you are a teacher, educator, school administrator, or someone who wants to integrate modern AI tools into teaching. This training could be a game changer for your career. In this session, we will break down exactly what the program is, how it works, and what it offers. Rehan is the what is the Rehan AI Teacher Training Program? The Rehan AI Teacher Training Program is an intensive professional development initiative designed to empower educators with the skills to use artificial intelligence tools for modern teaching. The program teaches educators how to integrate AI like ChatGPT and creative tools into lesson planning, communication, content creation, classroom manage engagement, and more. This training is built for 21st century educators, people who want to prepare students for our digital AI influenced future. It's not just theory, it's practical hands-on learning. Who can join the program? A common question we get: who is that training for? The short answer: anyone passionate about teaching with modern tools. This includes school teachers, administrators, and principals, education technology specialists, curriculum designers. Okay, so anyone involved in education or training who wants to leverage AI, you don't need prior experience with AI. The program starts with the basics and builds up all the necessary skills. Is prior AI experience required? No, you do don't not need any prior experience with AI. The program is structured to walk you through everything from foundational AI concepts to advanced classroom applications. Whether you are completely new to AI or have used some tools already, you will gain confidence and the competence through guided session, practical exercises, and real-world how long is the program? The Rehan AI teacher training typically spans 8 weeks of structured learning. Each week focuses on different skills, from basic AI literacy to lesson transformed and tools that streamline planning, communication, grading, and engagement. This balance ensures you have to time, learn concepts, practice tools, apply skills with classmates, complete practical assignments. This makes the learning journey practical and meaningful. What tools will you learn? You will learn how to use a verify of tools that are reshaping education, including ChatGPT and AI chat tools for personalized lesson planning and explanation generation. Visual tools like Canva for content creation, strategies for using AI to automate repetitive tasks, technique for engaging students with interactive AI enhanced lesson. These tools help you design modern learning experiences that are both engaging and efficient. How are the classes conducted? Training sessions are conducted online through platforms such as Zoom, making them accessible anywhere in the world. Live sessions are typically scheduled weekly, and you can also access recorded content and resources for self-paced study. If you miss a live session, this flexibility allows teachers with full schedules to participate actively without disrupting their teams. Is there a certificate? Yes. Upon successfully completion of the program, participants usually receive a certificate of completion. This certificate recognizes your new AI teaching skills and can be added to your professional profile, CV, or portfolio. It's a valuable credential in modern educational environment. What are the key benefits of this training? There are several benefits educators enjoy from the training. Increased teacher productivity, you will learn shortcuts and tools to save time, enhance lesson quality. AI can help generate creative ideas and personalize teaching material. Student engagement. AI tools help make lessons more interactive and exciting. Professional growth. This training helps position you as a forward-thinking educator. Global networking. Connect with other educators from around the world. How does AI help in real teaching? A key question is, does AI replace teacher? The answer is no. It arguments teacher. AI does not replace your role, it enhances your ability. Personalized learning, automate routines, tasks, develop creative contents.